So we're going to be fixing an extension cord that needs a new end. So we're going to snip it off flush so that we can start fresh. We'll slide this through here. I'll leave a link in the description to this plug so you can pick one up. And this gets pushed through the grommet in there. It's just a plastic sleeve that goes over it. And then we will strip back probably about 1.5 inches of the outside coating. Peel that back along with all the insulation that's inside the cord, and we'll cut that off. It's rather frustrating. Scissors work great for this. Throw that aside, throw it away later. And we'll grab the wire strippers and we'll strip back about 1/2 inch. If you guys are looking for a good pair of wire strippers, I'll leave a link in the description to these Milwaukee ones. I absolutely love them. So on this one, you have a green screw, a silver screw, and a copper screw. The green wire goes to the green screw, the black wire goes to the brass, and the white wire goes to the silver screw. This one you just insert it and screw it down. Once you get the screws tightened, give them a little tug to make sure that they're secure. And this one has a little notch on the rubber outer housing, and it has a notch here. You line that notch up and slide it over like that. And then take your end, slide that up the cord, line up the holes, hold it tightly, and tighten the screws on the end of the outlet. Once you have those 3 screws tight, you can flip it over and you can tighten down the 2 screws that clamp around the cord itself. There you go. You got a plug that is fixed and ready to go. This will work for either a male or a female end of the cord, and I'll leave a link in the description for both, as well as for these amazing wire strippers if you're looking for some.